Big up the Guyanese. Remember me and you closer than Siamese. Kenya. Oh, you know Kenya, I'm a place, man. Kenya, Ghana, Gambia. You know them things they go. Blood clot, me see somebody say Wales. You know, we burn everything with scales. Big up Wales. There's a thing there. Brooklyn in the house.
What's that over your head?
Yeah, me see Dubai. Liverpool. You know, I best football team that. Anybody told you to see her in a Man jersey?
Man all the way.
I want to her.
Don't show for 10 minutes. Decline.
Yeah, as I say, but you see a Man U jersey.
Manu all the way.
When I deal in Man U, I Liverpool, the badness there. You see me, yeah, big up France. Me just see a girl from France.
Big up the Kurds.
The Kurds is a thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're not going to see it there, so I put it there.
Never walk alone, what you mean? What you mean? Got a Belize, Suriname, Amsterdam. Oh, they say them live Amsterdam. Kenya, Malawi. Gambia. They say thing them, see France again. They got the French. Which teddy bear that? Wifey beer. The Derby County. Yeah, 90s badness. This man from 90s Machiavelli make you know what a hollow pint is. I mean, cartel. I don't know what that means. Senegal. Remember what? No, me a one brand. One time me have many.
Oh.
Big up Guadeloupe. Merci beaucoup. Big up France, Nigeria, then not London. That's what Tottenham.
And mine.
St. Lucia in the building. You know them play. Bangladesh, big up. Me know you're going to look for me when this stuff People, if I ever tell you, why she look at me when me say big up Bangladesh? Kill, she want to kill me and go up in Bangladesh.
He knows me too well.
Big up Haiti. Uganda.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Kenya, you know the badness go. Atlanta, Georgia. Guyana, Suriname. Martinique. Big up Martinique. Oh, big up Trinidad, you know, aka Trinidad, you know. I mean, the setting there. Georgia, the Taiwan in Eastern Europe, that. This thing there. South London, I know South London, I'm a place, man. Brixton, man, you talk about, man. Peckham. You know where badness go. Northampton. St. Martin. Which side? The Dutch side or the French? People, I want to tell them jump on life because Sean Starmer forward on content matters. That the Isaac Buchanan program. So I think it started already, but it not reach our party, but it start. Yeah, man, one Waterford, you know my place that. One Waterford, one Portmore. No badness, cause y'all Gambia, in a building. You mean, that's the thing there. Yeah, I'm a Sean Star, man. New name loyalty, you know.
And mine.
I have a dictionary, you know. Because we don't deal with dictionary. We have a dictionary. If you look on the loyalty, you see Sean Star, you see them. If you look on the nine, you will also see them. Right?
No.
You know, baby. Don't flap me from the TikTok.
I'm not annoying.
You are annoying, babe.
I'm loving.
If you're annoying. That's you. Yeah, set you at the 5 Yeah, man, you know about this come and what?
Mute. Can't discuss.
And we're boss in the man. But them people that make me a speed read. I mean, Miss Fancy, Real and the guys to see it. Well, oh, TikTok, something them move so fast. I can't even get to read.
Not everyone has as many watchers like you. If you didn't have as many people watching, you wouldn't be having that stuff.
One Green Chill. Me a driving from Green Chill with a pound of marijuana. Just a thing there. Thank you, baby. Kimona, you that Kimona gonna do me too a while ago for Jen Gear. Big up net, whole Spain town. Go in a risk clown. Moby, no fear them, no dear. Can't tell what you know about me. Bend down low, make me tell you what me know, make me tell you what me know when you bend down low. If you want, pick me up, I'm for big you up and you're putting a name. Yeah, you should have shame. Damn, Uganda in the building.
Pick up.
Gambia in the building also, Kenya. Holy for art. You know me loving it from the start. Oh, babe. Bellies. Yeah, man, me a forward a Bellies in the next. When we say we go
I think you
Bellies?
said like in 2 weeks.
About 2 or 3 weeks we a forward a Bellies. Go up on a little vacation with my bae. An elephant. I'm a Ellie. Oh, that's something there. Something explode like. You know, New Year's Day. They need the blood clot this.
Fireworks.
Baby, all fireworks. When I'm coming
Fireworks on
to, yeah, you see it. When I'm coming to perform in that seat again. Katy Perry, man, firework. Somebody said, big up Iraq. What you mean? Big up Iraqi friend them. I must say, not using firework. Jaja. Yeah, no. Nardos. Big up Nardos at Green Chill. Yes, Guyana, I'm forwarding soon. Canada. Why Canada too cold there, man? Jesus Christ. Yeah, man. Big up the French, man. Oh, shit.
Who what?
Kenya. What, that's Togo? Yeah, man. My guys are fed up on the logo. You know? Whole Harbor. Costa Rica. Yeah, I have to represent for Costa Rica. Yeah, man. Big up me Latina virgin them a Costa Rica. You understand? Nah, left for like how me left Sharika. You know that will make you smile.
You just love rhyming.
You know that will make you smile. So $1 for you guy, no, man. Yeah, man, in a Chinese place of Niagara. Yeah, man, that's the thing there. I mean, big up the sweets. That's the thing there. I mean, well, yeah, people, you know where badness go. Blood clot, me get a feel a while ago. In a white t-shirt, we did it. People are all this.
That's easy, no mind.
Easy a bumbo clot.
No mind. One world ball.
Oh, you know what I want? You know what I'm going to camera, but see on camera dance, or the TikTok song.
Alone could I do that?
Or the TikTok song.
Oh, your style never was it. But how you did that, so? Me plus you.
Nah, that just pick up in passport.
Mad thing, man, my damn.
So you know, plain badness is not a raw boat. I'm going to mustache that them a put for me.
No joke.
Blood clot.
No, I can't see how long. See what they're saying.
But see, whenever I know the blue car will park right there, so where I'm gone.
Oh.
Call him. Find out where I'm gone. Free to the world. You mean?
Free to me.
Somalia, big up Somalia.
Big up all of the SMB squad now.
Somalia.
She said we'll bring it.
See Medalia.
Support the team.
Colombia, big up the Colombian them. You don't know about this because remember I can't tell me name, you know. I will get the name from the Colombian. Viva Colombia. Yeah, man, I just say about this. Big up the Romanian them to me soon. Yeah, man. Yeah, big up yourself. Somebody say, one world boss, big up. Yeah, big up the Somalis. You know what thing go. Guinea-Bissau, that's what they pronounce.
I don't know.
Big up Guinea-Bissau. Boy, if me I pronounce it wrong, send me the correction now. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I just say badness, man. Gambia again. Gambia, yeah, me badness up. How was that one fitted? In a white t-shirt, we did it. Hartford, Connecticut. You know how much years me in a DJ this, so? This whole thing coming like a freezer. But me I link on when me get back my visa. Jane and Finch, I want Toronto. Yeah, man, big up me Asian friend them, man. South Pass, say. Yo, Siva, just ask you, you know. Bad brother. Just ask you, hold on there. My bad brother Siva, yeah.
Up to the time.
I mean.
You know that.
So you are going now, people. Yeah, jump on the vehicle. Because see what the pan context matters.
That is it.
And that's how we are forward right now. So
You know that.
me I start back the life. I want them to cut it off and make it stay. 1,000 people.
Sick, man. Let them go and save my G. Let them go.
Don't cut it off.
No.
Me I go walk out.
Let them go and save.
Not like the girl liquid, sir.
No.
Just a walk out. You know if you come with me, baby. Forward.
Remember, I was gonna go film.
Where you go? You go shopping, babes?
Yeah, I was gonna get my hair stuff.
Damn, I'm gonna miss you, baby.
Oh, I know we haven't been this far from each other.
John, I miss you already.
Yes,
Send me yourself to the time.
oh, I could do that. AR-15.
Silence that about the target scene. Bumbuckler. Yo, give them the bumbuckler way they do when the rain starts.
Bomba-class.
People. Yeah, man, I want to see them, man, and I two hear that.
Oh,
My badness go, we hear that, man, and I hear that. Babes, before you go, you know what you gotta do? Kiss me, baby. Alright. That's the thing there, no?
Kiss me, baby.
Oh, the song, yeah, no, I'm not drop the song yet. Them have to go and wait. You know,
Wait.
Yeah, man, them have to go and wait.
Oh, my baby's
Babes.
not leaving me.
Just be careful, pan. What kind of mustache am I put by you? Not trying to be, me not say nothing. 26K.
Look, hold on, let that go. 1.4 million gifts.
Well, I don't even know when you gift, you know, but that's the way I decide I am a thing stiff.
I'm a gift.
Yes, baby, you're
I'm
present.
the biggest gift. It don't matter how many gifts you got there.
Yes, baby, you're my present.
I'm the gift for life.
Yes, baby.
Hello.
No, if not, maybe. Alright, now roll out with the thugs, them, you know.
Yeah.
See them?
Me, I roll with myself.
Yeah, just be careful on the road, yeah? Don't break no traffic light.
No.
Understand? Don't break the speed limit, innit?
Never.
Alright.
Never that.
And a lip kiss there. Come on, baby.
Me, baby.
That's the thing there. I draw my lips a bit. Why?
My favourite lips.
I know.
My baby don't want to leave me.
I go. I gotta go, city. Later, my baby.
Bye.
Alright. People, you know, I want Sean Storm, you know. Yeah, man, you know, we are roll out right now. Lord. Alright, I'm not hang up. Wait more, yeah? Kisses. Ready. I'm working at TJ. Watch it, 26,000 people watch me live. And counting. Come on. No, nobody can cross it. John just start. You know what thing going on?
You know it's my brother.
Yeah, man, I'm a real brother this year. And I'm a music brother.
No, not like that.
And I'm a music brother. We just do music together. Alright, you know his style. You know his chap. You got my bad friend, them, I'm up here. You hear me? I couldn't on the platform and don't big up the youth, them at JP. Yeah, man, I could never do it.
Yes, cartel is free.
Yes, cartel is free.
Yeah, now look for doing a GP.
No. Big up the general, big youth.
Yeah,
man.
big up the world.
Oh, yeah, agitated daddy. I agree, big youth, that you hear that? And then, man, they produce the rats. For the imposing of Isaac. You hear that? Going up the stairs right now. Holy Gaza and a plaza. Yeah, man, we up there. See there, one sifa. Oh, yeah, me. Gaza about this. Where I sat there. I got you. Yeah, man, big up the people that we have to get well, you know? Yeah, man, Salt Spring. Pass a big up Salt Spring. Shotgun. What me I tell you? How does it? See a girl say, hey, Sean. Alright, see you there. Him dead. And by down reggae. I mean. Who, which eye? Yeah, big up Zimbabwe. Bomb class somebody say only left Goldie man. You don't need Goldie? Big blood clot. Nobody come start no riot for the life, you know. People, we're in the concept matter.
Alright, blessings.
So I sat there.
Caller, your life. You have to turn on your TV though.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm here to bed, sir. You bed, sir? Sit down. Yeah, I'm dead there. Oh, you turn around this, make gonna see eyes at. Blood clot this. Oh, you turn around this, my dead.
Come make part of the party,
Flip camera. Yeah. Flip it. Alright, yeah, see there. I saw there.
What Gladdy has for him is like moving forward.
Well, it's so like normally it's so like you do a full interview. Cause you ask one question and you say just me 10 past.
Yeah, man.
But I